Today, I'll be introducing you to VMECA's water-free, which is used to keep any kind of moisture out. This is the water-free demo kit, which I'll be using to demonstrate the water-free's features and capabilities. The part on the left side is the air regulator, and the part on the right side is the filter. This is the body of the water-free, and the auto drain is located right below the body. Now, I'll be using this demo kit to show you how our water-free prevents any kind of moisture from being released. Firstly, this hose connects directly to the water-free, and you can visibly see the amount of moisture flowing through. Although the water can be clearly seen flowing in, none of it can be seen coming out. The paper, which the supply of air was pointed toward, does not have any visible stains either. This means that none of the moisture has been released. VMECA's water-free makes sure that 99.9% of moisture coming in is removed from the compressed air. The water-free body collects all the moisture and directs it to the auto drain system, where the water collected is automatically drained out as soon as it reaches a certain level of water. The collected water is routed to a bucket or a container like this here instead of your machines. This container shown in the video is exclusively used for this demo kit. It will be preferable to use a bigger external container, or you can guide the water to a place where it can be freely drained. It is vitally important to keep the moisture out of your compressed air, as moisture coming in can potentially damage your pneumatic parts, machines, and/or devices in a number of ways. And furthermore, the water-free has little to no impact on the pressure. The vacuum flow stays constant during its run. Here are some pictures of our water-free being used in various applications. There are a lot more advantages and features it provides. To explain a few, VMECA water-free system requires pretty much no maintenance. It does not contain any kind of filter element which requires regular changing. Also, the performance in flow rate and its ability to remove moisture does not decline over time. And here are the different models of water-free that we offer. WF stands for water-free, and the numbers represent the size of the thread. 01 would mean that the air supply port is G thread 1-inch female. For the second water-free, the 02 would mean that its air supply port is G thread 2-inch female. For this water-free, the 34 would mean that the air supply port is G thread 3/4 inch female, and so on. To keep moisture out, water-free is the perfect product for any automation needs that will efficiently and reliably prevent any fluids from entering your dry compressed air needs. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please email infousa@vmeca.com. Also, please let me know if you would like to try our products as samples for your application. Thank you.